In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about GUI programming in Java. I am Vishnu Shakti, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, RMD Engineering College. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface and are used to create visually pleasing applications with greater level of usability. In order to do GUI programming in Java, we need to use a package AWT, Abstract Windowing Toolkit. This was introduced in JDK 1.0 and it has become obsolete and is replaced by Swing UI components. So AWT packages consist of normal core graphic classes such as button, text field and label, and container classes such as frame and panel. In order to define layouts or organize these components such as button, label and text field, we have various types of layouts in Java and custom graphic classes. So the AWT package consists of graphic classes such as GUI component classes, GUI container classes. So AWT package is divided into component class and container class. Containers are used to hold the components and container class examples are frame and panel. Whereas layout, the various types of layouts that are used in Java are flow layout, border layout and grid layout. In custom graphic classes, we have colors, fonts and graphics for use in GUI based applications. The other package that is available in AWT is event package, which supports event handling in Java in GUI programming. Event classes includes mouse event, window event and listener events such as action listener, key listener, window listener, mouse listener and mouse motion listener. GUI applications are divided into, as I said, AWT packages. You have containers and components. Container classes contains frames and panels, and components examples are label, text field and buttons. Components are also called as widgets in GUI programming, which includes button, label and text field. Containers such as frame and panel are used to hold components with a specific layout. Layout here refers to the arrangement of the components. Examples of flow layout are flow layout, grid block layout and as said in the previous class, container classes are used to hold GUI components. In container classes we have frame, dialog and applet. So each GUI program will have a container and these containers are used to hold widgets or components. A frame provides a main window for the GUI based application. A dialog is a pop-up window, and there are in AWT package there are various classes that are used to implement these container classes. Panels and scroll pan. Panel is rectangular blocks used to lay out a set of related components in a pattern. So pattern here refers to the layout such as grid or flow. Scroll pan provides horizontal and vertical scrolling for GUI applications, and AWT component class consists of buttons, text field, label, checkbox group, list and choice. Label is used to enter a value and checkbox is used to provide options, choice based options. The label constructor consists of three alignments: left, right and center. So in Java AWT package we have containers and widgets and classes for graphics programming. In this slide we can see a GUI example. Here Frame is a top level container, and we have two panels which are used to partition the widgets. So in the first panel there is a label with the name label 1 and a text field which is used to enter a value, and in the second panel there are three widgets or components: button 1, button 2 and button 3. So a panel is used to hold a components or widgets. So in this code we can see that we have container class such as panel, frame and dialog. Panel is a pure container and it is used to organize the components. Frame contains titles and icons, and dialog is a pop-up window that pops when a message is to be displayed.